Decline the seat when I want it. Give you a set of keys cause you own it. Pull up on it.
Hey Lovebugs, and welcome back to another video. First things first, before we get started, if you are new here to my channel, hello, my name is Mary and this is my channel. And to my oldie but goodie Lovebugs, welcome back. So today's video is yet another wig review, and we will be doing a review on this Wig Fever unit that I got. Now, this unit I did purchase on my own with my own money. This is not a sponsored video. This is something that I bought on my own free will. Okay. I have heard about this company via Instagram and Facebook, so I figured I'd give them a try. You know, I might as well try them out so you don't have to. Give you all the deets about this wig and see, is it worth the price? So let's get into it. So this is a glueless unit. It's 180 density. It's a body wave wig. It does come pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and it is 22 inches. I ordered this back in August. Normally, according to their website, they have 3 to 5 business day shipping, but they did send me an email letting me know that my wig would be delayed just due to the overwhelming demand they had to get orders out. So it took about 2 weeks for me to receive this unit, but normally their shipping time is 3 to 5 business days. Now, I paid $130.40 for this wig because I did buy it when they were having a big sale, but the regular price for this wig for the length that I got is $220. So when you first open up the box, well, before we even open up the box, so this is the packaging that it comes in. It has their name across the front, and then in the back, it has their website, how you can reach them via email if you have any issues, their Instagram name, and then how to find them on Facebook. When you open up the box, it comes with the wig. It comes with a comb, a band for the wig to keep your wig secure while styling. It comes with 2 wig caps, an HD wig cap, and then your regular wig cap. It also comes with a thank you card with details on how to get cash back or discounts on future wigs and moving forward. It comes with another band. This is a silk band for your edges. It comes with a bonnet. And then last but not least, it comes with a bag for you to hold the wig in. So they give you a lot of goodies. This is probably the most goodies I've seen in a wig package from all the wigs that I have reviewed thus far. So I do like that. That means for me, I feel like you are getting a good bang for your buck. So let's get into this wig. So like I said, this is 180 density. It's 22 inches. It's body wave. It is pre-plucked and pre-cut. Also, it is pre-bleached. So I'm just gonna take this out the net right here. This is a hair. It is very, very soft. I do like this. My hands are going straight through it. I'm not getting any snags really. And it is glueless, so it does come with an adjustable band. So I'm just gonna take all this stuff off. So this is the lace. It's focusing so you can see. This is the lace, and then like I said, it comes with an adjustable band. So they do give you 2 options. You can just get it in its regular shape, regular form, like unbleached, or you can have them bleach it. So the way it is right now, I'm just gonna kind of put it against my skin. I feel like if you can see that, so I'm just putting it against, putting it against my skin. I feel like there's not much I would have to do, probably just put a little bit of foundation, but let's go ahead and put this unit on and see what it's looking like. So let's take this off. Just gonna put that there. And then I'm just going to adjust the band so I can put it on my head. That should be good. Okay. So, I mean, right here, I mean, this is very noticeable, but the wig looks very nice. The wig looks nice. This part is noticeable, so I would have to just use some foundation to, you know, cover this up. But overall, I do think that this is a very nice wig. The hair looks very natural. It looks like, it's giving that like that beach wave vibe. If you braided your hair and then like took it out and just wore it in its natural state. So I do like it. I love the length. I told y'all before, I am a 22, 24, 26, 28 girl. So I love a long wig. All right, so I'm just gonna go off camera and customize this real quick. I'm going to just put some foundation on the lace and then just cut this to my hairline, and I'll be right back to show you how it looks afterwards. I'm back. So I put some foundation on the lace. I also cut it to be more symmetrical with my hairline, and I think that it looks good. Like, it's, unless you was like really all up on me, like, it's, really can't tell. So I do give this a 10 out of a 10. Like I said, you might get one or two snags like you just saw, but my hands go directly through the hair. It is very soft. You know, it's, I like it. I really do like this wig. I love the texture of it. I love the like beach wave curls. This would be a good vacation wig. This could be a good everyday wig. And I know like this will probably look really, really cute with, if you like rod curl it, not rod, wand curl it. Even if you did barrel curls and you did flexi rods, very, very cute. This is an effortless look. So I do give this wig a 10 out of 10. I will have all the details down below in the description bar if you want to purchase this wig. But she's cute, I'm cute, we're cute. So this is gonna wrap it up for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this wig review. If you have made it this far, please be sure to like, comment, and most important, subscribe, because sis, if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Also, be sure to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend all about my channel. Be on the lookout for more videos and more wig reviews. I can't talk. I don't know what's going on. Anyways, until next time, love bugs. Mwah. Later.
Recline the seat when I want it. Give you a set of keys cause you own it. Pull up on me.